Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use a company rating on Glassdoor. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer and search for Glassdoor. Go ahead and click on the first link right over here and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now, once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the companies tab. Now, there are two ways that you can use the rating. So first thing is, in order to go ahead and search for a good company to work on, you can simply go ahead and click on the 5-star tab or even 4-star and above if you want to, and that is how you can go ahead and find companies or good companies to work in. However, if that is not the case and you want to actually leave a review or leave a rating for the company, just click on this or click on the company that you want to leave a rating on by searching on it right over here, and now click on add a review. Once you do that, as you can see, it says rate a company. You can leave a overall rating. Go ahead and fill out all these things: pros, cons, advice for management, and many more. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.